Sanbonani, greetings. Okay, so this is the continuation of part one. So now I'll be doing program two, which is essentially the same thing as program one, but now it just includes more stuff. So it's still the same input, and then it still also requires one output, but now we just have different categories of all these things. So now all we have to really change here is the if statement. So how do we change the if statement? So the first part, it says an acute angle, an angle between 0 and 90 degrees. So all we have to do is if angle equals to 0 greater or equals to 0, right? And the angle is less or equals to 90, or between 0 and 90. So 90 doesn't count, right? Or it does count. Hey, I'm not sure really, but I think 90 is also an acute angle, but let's just leave it out. So we'll leave out 90, and then we'll just leave out 90. Then we'll put an else if. Let's just copy this part. Else if equals to 90, and put an else if so how many else ifs do we need? Okay, I think there's to be 3 of them. So you just need another one, the last one. To classify everything properly. So this angle is not a right angle. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so if the angle equals to 90, the angle is a right angle. Then if angle is greater than 0 and angle is less than 90, output the angle is an acute angle. Then is an acute angle. Then else if angle equals to 90, output the angle is a right angle. Else if it's greater than 90. So let's not include 90, let's exclude 90. So because we just have to classify whether it's an acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, or a straight line. So if it's a right angle, let's not say it's an acute or an obtuse. It's just the right angle. It's neither. It's neither. It's both. But either way, let's just not include it. And then okay, it's greater than 90 and less than 180. So here I have to change it to 180, and then copy this right here, this whole line. This angle is an obtuse angle. And the last one, this is a straight angle. Yeah, I think that's all. Okay, so let's run the code. Okay, what's the problem now? Okay, let's just initialize this thing. Let's initialize the output. Okay, run file. Okay, 90. Starts at 90. This angle is a right angle. Okay, that's cool. Let's run this again. Let's try 97. This angle is an obtuse angle. So for for me this angle is this program is fine. And then we'll do program 3 later on. Thank you.